Good morning, students. Your seventh chapter's name is Man's Best Friends. So let us see some different doggies varieties. Okay, the first one. This is called Husky. Okay, this is a breed of graceful working dogs found in Siberia. It is used as a sledge dog, as a companion, and guard. It is known for its dense, soft coat, head markings resembling a cap or mask, its intelligence, and its gentle temperament. Okay, next, this one is called Collie. Okay, this is recognized as a proud breed of herding dog, much popular in films. It is also known to be a superbly loyal children's companion and family dog. The tips of its large rounded ears bend forward slightly. Okay, like this. Then, this is called Golden Retriever. This sporty dog is known for its quick reflexes as a trustworthy hunting and retrieving dog and for its animated behavior and trainability. It has a golden and dense coat. Okay, then this is called Chihuahua. Okay, these are popular as the smallest dog in the world. These have small, erect ears and long tail. Ancient Mexicans believed that these dogs safely guided the human soul through the underworld. Okay, this type is called Beagle. Okay, it is a hunting dog. It adapts to the living environment suitable for living in the city or apartment. It is best to provide adequate space for it. It is called Beagle. Then the last one is called Rottweiler. Okay, this one. It is physically strong, moves rapidly, momentum is powerful. It is one of the most has the courage and strength of dog in the world. Okay, this one is called Rottweiler. Now let us see some quiz. Okay, answers for some quiz. This is a muscular breed of sporting dog known for its dependability as a guide dog for the blind and also a search and rescue dog. Its coat is water repellent, short, dense, and has thick hair. Thick, okay, hard undercoat. It is Labrador. Okay, then this is a dainty breed of dog, once used as circus trick dog. It has a very curly, dense, and harsh coat and long, wide ears which hang close to its end. It is called poodle. Okay, this is a breed of dog originally trained for bull baiting. Okay, it is known as a quiet, gentle dog, usually fond of napping. It is a popular mascot for many sports teams. It is bulldog. Okay, also known as German Shepherd. This breed of dog is known to be an obedient and loyal breed. It is recognized world over for its courage, intelligence, and adaptability. It is capable as a police, search and rescue, army, and sentry dog. It is called Alsatian. Alsation. Alsatian. Now let us see some information about feathery birds. Okay. It is the slowest flying bird. It covers 8.8 km per hour. Okay, which will be called as American woodcock. Okay, it is a bird that mimics extensively. It can mimic up to 84 songs. It is marsh warbler. Okay, it is the fastest running flying bird. It flies 42 kilometers per hour. It is great road runner. Okay, it is the longest migratory bird. It covers over 35,000 kilometers a year, flying from the extreme north of Europe and America to the southernmost tips of Africa and Australia. It is Arctic tern. Okay, Tern tern. It is the slowest wing beating bird. It beats wings once per second. It is vulture. Okay. It is a fast moving bird. It moves 188 kilometers per hour. Okay, it is diving peregrine falcon. Seventh one. It is the fastest wing beating bird. It beats wings 90 per second. Okay. Then it is called bee hummingbird. Okay. Then eighth one. It is the largest ground nest. It is 836 feet wide, 16 feet high, with over 2,700 kilograms of forest floor litter. It's called dusky scrubfall. Ninth one. It is the fastest running bird. It runs on average 97.5 kilometers per hour. It is called ostrich. You already know that, right? Now let us see some information about languages of India. First one. It is widely spoken in India and Pakistan. Majhi, Daubi and Multani are some of the dialects of this language. It is Punjabi language. Okay. It is the official language of Maharashtra. Dangi, Malwani and Samvedi are some of the dialects of this language. It is called Marathi. Third one. It is regarded as the mother of almost all languages spoken in North and East India, and it's one of the official languages of the state of Uttarakhand. It is Sanskrit. Okay. This language is main medium of communication for more than 5 states of North India. It is Hindi. Okay. It is used as an ancient Sangham literature as the medium of creative expression. It is one of the first languages to attain the status of classical languages in India. It is Tamil language. Okay. It is the main language of the state Manipur, and it's also spoken in some parts of Assam and Tripura. Okay. It is included in the list of scheduled languages in Constitution of India. It is Meithei. Okay. Seventh one. It is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. The majority of the speakers of this language belong to the eastern part of India. It is Bengali. Okay. Eighth one. This language spoken in West India is the official of one state and two union territories. It was the first language of famous personalities like Mahatma Gandhi and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It is Punjabi. Okay. Ninth one. Vartamana Pushtakam, the first ever travelogue in any Indian language, written by Perumakkal Thoma Kadanar. Okay, it was composed in this language, Malayalam. Okay, it is the official language of 6 Indian states and is also national language of Pakistan. It is Urdu. Okay. Now let us see the word answers of word search. Okay. First question. One who plays for pleasure is called amateur. Okay. I'll tell you the answers. You should find it in the box and just mark it. Okay. One who eats human flesh is called cannibal. Okay. One who talks in sleep is called somniloquent. Okay. One who is unable to pay his debt is called bankrupt. Okay. One who believes in fate is called fatalist. Fatalist. One who abandons his religious faith is called apostate. Apostate. One who is all powerful is omnipotent. Okay. Omnipotent. One who makes an eloquent public speech is orator. Orator. One who knows many languages called polyglot. Poligot. One who eats too much is glutton. Glutton. One who wastes money for luxury is called extravagant. Extravagant. One who breaks in a house to steal is called burglar. Okay, Burglor. Now, let us see some American words for the normal words we use. Okay, that is, we use British words. What is the transformation of the American word? Let us see. Okay, first one. Lift means in American it is elevator. Sachet means it is packet. Okay, maze means corn. Cinema means movie. Curtains means drapes. Pavement means, that is pavement we say, but this is sidewalk. Okay, roads they'll have, right? In Tamil we call it as nadai padai. Okay, so actually in British language it is called pavement, but it is in American English it is called sidewalk. Q means line. Okay, sweets means sweets only. Tin means can. Holiday means vacation. Post means mail. Tap means fact. Faucet. FAUCET. Jam means jelly. Football means saucer. SOCCER, saucer. Aeroplane means airplane. Okay. Then hire means rent. Dustbin means garbage can. Rubbish means garbage. Okay. Feet means hair. Okay. Ring means call. Oat means ballot. Okay. Rubber means eraser. Motorway means expressway. Cupboard means cabinet. Bill means check. Ill means sick. Advertisement means commercial. Flat means apartment. Biscuit means cookie. Crockery means dishes. Okay. 10th chapter is about story behind the idioms. Let us see some idioms and the story related and how it was formed. Okay. Idiom, the first idiom is to kick the bucket, meaning to die. Okay. Origin is from after slaughtering the pigs are hung on the rail called bucket bar. Sometimes the dead pig would twitch because of muscle spasms. This led to kicking the bucket bar. Okay. Then idiom, let the cat out of the bag, meaning to reveal a secret or hidden agenda. In the medieval times, some traders would cheat the customers by selling them a cat instead of a pig. They would place the cat in the bag. Uh, the cornet customer would realize that he had been cheated only when the cat come out of the bag in place of the pig they had paid for. Idiom, Adam's ale, meaning water. Origin, jocular reference to the only drink available to Adam, the first man in the biblical and Quranic traditions. It mentions briefly to the simplicity and purity of life in the biblical Eden, in contrast to the association of strong drink with an evil devil. Okay, idiom, to hang fire. Its meaning is to delay. Origin, it in days gone by when the main charge in an artillery piece was slow to fire, it was said to be hanging fire. Now the term is used to describe something which is held up or delayed. Okay. Next idiom is pass the buck, meaning to not take the responsibility by passing it to someone else. In the 19th century, poker was a popular game. A marker or buck was placed next to the dealer to avoid an unfairness. This buck was passed on to the next one to deal the cards or take the responsibility. Next idiom is raining cats and dogs, meaning to rain heavily. Origin, it is supposed that earlier cats and dogs used to live together on the rooftops. During heavy downpour, they would wash down from there. Okay. Now it's quiz time. Let us see the answer of some quizzes. Okay, given. We were given the green light, red hand, gray area to book our holiday time. So your answer will be we were given the green light to book our holiday time. It is said that we were given a green light means we were allowed. Okay, the permission which will be here called green light. Okay, I only eat meat once in a green day, blue moon, yellow star. Okay, so yellow star is not an idiom actually. Okay, so and green day also we cannot call it, but blue moon is an idiom, so we can use that. Once in a blue means it is rare. Okay, like that. When something happens out of the blue, it is dangerous, unwelcomed, surprising. It is when something happens out of the blue, it is unwelcomed, surprising. Okay, then this volunteer job is my golden opportunity. Red carpet, red tape to get experience. Red carpet is an idiom actually, but you can use it here because golden opportunity suits that line very much. So you can use that. This volunteer job is my golden opportunity to get experience. I caught the red eye means I took a late flight or a slow bus and early train. I took a red eye means it was late flight. Okay. The boxer was red-handed, a black sheep, black and blue at around 10. Red-handed means the thieves will be got by the police red-handed. Okay. Some cheaters will be red-handed by the people, like that we can say. So red-handed doesn't suit here. A black sheep also will not be suitable. Only black and blue can be suitable for this sentence. A man who is born with a silver spoon in his mouth has always been old wise rich. It is rich. Okay. My face goes green with envy. Golden beet red. Okay, it is beet red when I am embarrassed. Okay.